Hey, we're in Paro, and this is where we're gonna hike the tiger's nest.
Tiger's nest. Lots of steps.
Lots of steps.
Lots of sore muscles.
And we're gonna ride a horse for part of it.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm not sure that's gonna help us too
See
much.
lots of prayer flags.
Yes.
See a few monks.
Jake's ready. My donkey pooped back there, but Hannah's doing good. She's on a donkey too.
The other way.
My donkey's name is Wandra. We are leaving the tea house, got off our horses, and now we are heading up to the den, and I'm already out of breath. Taking a quick snack break. Grandpa! Ayo!
Gonna see the cave where the mad monk came in, and he's the one who brought the local religion, Buddhism, to the country. So we're going to see where he landed, and several of the other Buddhists have gone and they've meditated for months on end.
And he flew in on a tiger into this cave. And we're gonna visit that as well. So
That's why it's called the Tiger's Nest.
Grandpa, look up! Say hi! There's Taylor and Ty and Jake somewhere, but we can't see him. Grandpa, are you excited?
I am excited.
We're gonna go. Are we gonna go all the way up there?
We are going to go all the way up.
You heard it here first,
We're
people.
going to come back.
Yes, alive. Ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga.
A few moments later.
Hey, I'm here with Tandy. You're supposed to say hi.
Hello, hi.
And we just went up to the tiger's nest up there. We couldn't take our cameras in here,
That's right.
but we saw lots of things. What did we see?
The real tiger wasn't there actually.
He wasn't there.
But then I think like Lindsay was a little bit on bad fortune together with you. Otherwise yesterday the tiger was right there. She just missed the tiger today.
I just missed it because of my bad fortune.
Yeah.
But we saw lots of altar rooms, and we went into a cave,
Oh my god.
which we didn't bring our shoes into.
That's right.
Have you been in the cave?
Been there inside, and then the tiger wasn't there.
The tiger wasn't there. Nope. But we still had fun. Okay, we're heading back down.
Lord help us.
Looks like we're almost there. Grandpa and I are making our way downtown, walking fast, faces past, and we're homebound.
We survived.
Went from all the way up there to all the way down here. We're gonna take a stone bath, yeah. Stone bath, yeah. Tyler's gonna do Kenna's hair, which is really cute. Oh, look at this brotherly sister love.
And thick as hell. How the hell am I supposed to talk about this?
Thick as hell. Taylor's in the tiny tub. Her water's overflowing. We all have regular ones. Ty and Jake are over there.
Candy!
Well, obviously.
A little sweaty.
I know it.
Do you think we've been to enough temples?
I think we've been to about 750, but if
I think we could do maybe like about 800 more.
if we went to 800 more, I think that would really cap off the cultural experience.
What do you think, Kenna? 900 more, could you do it?
Temples?
Yeah. What are you talking about? We could do like 1,000 more temples.
They're all very different.
They're all very different, completely dissimilar. This temple has a pretty garden. Lots of nice flowers and roses and things like that. Oh my goodness.
You want a slice?
Last night in Bhutan, power's out, but we live in large. There you go. Oh snap. Look at them go. Oh, wow. Wow, look at them go. Ty, model it for us. What do you got going on here? Show us the booty. Show us the booty. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Your big pocket, you can put everything in there. Our power's out, so we're having a moonlit dinner. We are starting our adventure home. We only got 6 hours of sleep last night.
Probably less.
And I'm very tired. Sayonara, Bhutan. See you later. We're back in India.
Yes, we are.
Ooh.
If Grandpa sees this,
An echo in my heart from now on. From now on. Hardcore. Oh yeah. We will come back home. We will come back home. Home again. Injury, cut it off.
Now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Round 2, we're heading home. We got like a 15-hour flight to Toronto from Delhi. 16?
16 hours.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna die. Stay tuned. Grandpa, we're back in the States.
Hey, we made it. We survived.
We're in Cincinnati now.
Still got the same 6 people.
We have the same 6 people. We still have our sacred 6, passport, money, credit card, and we survived Asia.
Hey.
Hi, Mom. Good to see you guys. Hello. Oh. Look at your shoes. You're stylish.
Oh, it's me. Hi, baby. Do you even remember me?
Oh, she's
Do you remember your mommy? Hi, baby.